some more carbon fiber parts like the skid plate, but I mean, need the bike back together to put that on. So I need to get this the rest of the way back together, I guess. I'm going to start off with getting the new clutch cable in. This one is from Motion Pro. So I'm going to start off by polishing the midsection of the exhaust. Just wanted to remind you that the link to these cleaning wheels and all the other tools that I used are in the description. Now I am polishing off the exhaust silencer. Alright, so I'm gonna get the front brakes back on, put some new fluid in there. So, got Loctite on the bolts. Alright, so I fixed that. Now it's in. So I got a new guide for the brake cable, so I'm going to slip it on. Now I need to get a spacer. That's good. Alright, so I'm going to throw on the front fender. You got this factory effects graphics on it. So I'm going to throw that on right now. Front number plate. Alright, so I'm going to put the midsection of the exhaust on. So I got some black RTV on the header. I'm going to slide this thing on in. Get that bolt. Alright, and the silencer, we put on some factory 4.1 stickers because this was a factory 4, but I mean, looks completely different. Stickers are completely different design, but will look nice, so let's get it on. Alright, so I'm going to get this brake spring into this hole right here, wiggle it in, and then attach it to the brake lever. I gotta get the pin in. Alright, so I cleaned up the gas tank a little bit, so I'll throw that on. Alright, I'm going to put the carbon fiber side plate on. Put on the Shell-Tech kickstand. Rear fender on with this special tape so reflects the heat. Side plates. Grip tape. Alright, time to get the tire in. Last step besides the chain and oil and coolant. Putting the chain on now. Pressing the master link in. Tighten it down. Alright, put that new seat cover on. Staples didn't go on the best with our little handheld staple gun, hand powered. So you really need a pneumatic or something like that. Alright, that came out pretty nice. There's a little bit of wrinkling, but not too bad. It's just hard to do with our little handheld staple gun. So let me get it filled up with fluids. Check for any leaks in like the radiators. Because we did straighten that one out. It should be fine, but it's always good to check. Give it some oil, make sure there's no leaks there. And then I gotta torque down the front axle and the pinch bolts. Coolant, oil. So that completes the bike build of my 2004 YZ250F. The next episode will be the first start and first ride, so don't miss that. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the cinematic footage.